Today's video, I have some new, okay? With the main choice, they came out with their Healthy Hair Regimen Boosting Kit. This kit comes with 4 products: their Mocha and Molasses Anti-Shedding Remedy, their Silk Amino Acid and Keratin Reconstructor Treatment, their Sea Kelp and Feverfew Herb Rehydration Therapy, and lastly, their Triglyceride and Mint Scalp Renewal. These products are recommended to be used in conjunction with their Pink Lemonade and Coconut collection. You're probably asking yourself, what is special about this kit and what benefits can these products do to add to your regimen? It's designed to help and enhance the health of your hair by preventing and repairing damage, also restoring moisture levels, penetrating and rejuvenating the scalp, and also minimize as much shedding as possible. So like the kit says, it's going to boost your regimen. It's going to effectively enhance your regimen. Let's just get started so I can talk more about each individual product. Now, before you get started with applying these products, you want to think about what your hair needs are. Look at your hair strands, feel your hair, see what your hair needs, what it lacked throughout the previous weeks. Think about those things before you start to use any of the products in the boosting kit. My hair is very old. It's about 2 weeks old. It's very dry and I need moisture. My hair needs to be replenished. And also I'm going through a little bit of shedding. And I also want to focus on stimulating growth, anything that can aid in that process. So the first product I'm going to use in this kit is the Mocha and Molasses. It's a anti-shedding remedy. Perfect. Like I said, I've been going through a little bit of shedding and this is going to help with that. Since this product has a natural source of essential vitamins and minerals, I'm going to apply this on my scalp first and then I'm going to apply it on the full length of my hair. This product has coffee and molasses. Those ingredients are going to help shedding almost instantly. There's also biotin in this ingredient. This is going to strengthen the hair follicles and also it's going to reduce breakage. I also like to massage this into my scalp because I want to get as much of the benefits of this product throughout my whole head. And as I am massaging my scalp is heating up and absorbing the products. My cuticles are opening. So I'm going to get all that goodness that's in this jar. You want to make sure you do this on dry hair before you shampoo or co-wash. And you want to add a plastic cap for about 30 minutes with or without heat. Once that has soaked in, I do rinse it out and then I proceed to shampoo. Like I said in the beginning, their Pink Lemonade and Coconut collection pairs well with these products. While cleansing, you want to focus on your scalp because we want to get that previous product off. So cleanse your hair thoroughly. Use the pads of your fingertips to massage your scalp as well as your hair strands. This product lathers amazingly. It has slip and my hair was thoroughly cleansed when I used this product. My hair didn't feel stripped. It felt refreshed. I definitely saw and felt the difference with using that Mocha and Molasses after I cleansed my hair because my scalp felt rejuvenated and my hair felt strengthened. So next I'm going to spray on my hair and scalp their Hydration Therapy. This is a highly concentrated hydrating formula. It's going to protect and treat the hair from hard water. It's going to restore moisture to dry, dehydrated hair. It's going to penetrate deeply into the hair shaft and boost hydration. Like I said in the beginning, my hair was very dry. So this is going to boost the moisture in my strands. I'm going to make sure I spray this on my hair and my scalp because I want to get all the benefits of this product. Once that is applied, I'm going to add a plastic cap. I'm going to let it sit without heat for 15 minutes. I'm going to rinse and then I will go in with conditioning. But I didn't use one product in this boosting kit. It's their Reconstructor Treatment. This product focuses on strengthening your strands by using keratin, hydrolyzed wheat protein, and biotin. It's going to bind injured areas of the cuticle and form a protective barrier. It will also penetrate deeply in the hair shaft to reconstruct from the inside out. I felt as though it wasn't needed for this wash day. So for my next step, I am going to use that reviving mask because I need moisture. My hair is dehydrated. I want my hair to feel softer and I want my strands to be moisturized. I'm going to apply that throughout my hair. One thing I did notice while using the rehydration therapy in conjunction with that hair mask, my hair felt super supple. This mask was incredible. It definitely works in 5 minutes. I can attest to that because as soon as I applied it on my strands, my hair felt softer. And after I deep conditioned for a little bit, my hair felt even more moisturized. Once I have rinsed that mask off my hair, I'm then gonna go in with their last product from the boosting kit. It's their scalp renewal. This product is going to rejuvenate the scalp, it's going to restore it and condition the scalp. It also will balance your moisture retention. It also will relieve dryness on the scalp or itchiness, and it also will calm the scalp and purify it. I'm going to apply this directly on my scalp and make sure to apply it thoroughly throughout. This product feels amazing on my scalp. It does contain tea tree oil. I love the way tea tree feels on my scalp. It's tingly, it's cooling, it's refreshing, and my scalp feels rejuvenated. That tingling sensation is going to get the blood flowing throughout your scalp, which in turn will help your hair grow longer. After that has been applied throughout, you can go right into styling, and I'm using their mousse from their pink lemonade and coconut collection. While doing roller sets for me, the key is to do small sections and to use a styling mousse. So I'm going to use 1 to 2 pumps for each section. That is all you will need to give your strands hold and also definition. Make sure the product is spread throughout by finger detangling, and if need be, use a detangling tool. After that, I will apply my roller, secure it on the ends, and then repeat those same steps on the next section. I'm going to pull my strands taut to get it off of the roller, and so far I'm very happy and pleased with the definition. My hair has a slight hold, but it is still moisturized. That's great because I can get long-lasting results. And these are my finished results. I forgot to get that usual slow-mos I usually get at the end when I show my finished results. So I will be showing some photos at the end. But you can tell from right here, my hair looks divine. It looks beautiful. It's super soft. my scalp's renewed, my hair is rejuvenated, I got strength, my hair is moisturized. I got everything I needed during this wash day. Let me know in the comments what you thought of my results. Let me know, will you be picking up this boosting kit? And what did you think about the products they added to their lineup? I definitely think these products, if used correctly in conjunction with a great regimen, you can see results if these products are used consistently. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and follow me on my other social media accounts, and I'll see you in the next video.